Hi there. In this Microsoft Excel video, we'll quickly look at how we can share our spreadsheets with other Microsoft Office applications. So I've got a little spreadsheet here, pretty straightforward. You should all know how to make something like this. Now I'm going to copy it. I do have it saved on my hard drive. I'll just make sure I show you that. Just choose File. I'll just rename it so we can make sure it's saved. I've got it in a folder that I can get rid of. I'll call it Regional Sales 2. Let me just resize this window for you so you can see what I'm calling it. Doesn't really matter what you name it. And save. So I'm going to copy this material using my little copy, and then I'm going to fire up Word, and I'll create a new blank document, and I'll also save this document. I'll put it in the same spot, and I'll call it Regional Sales 2. And save. And OK. Now I'm gonna paste using all of the options that are available to me. So we have paste here. So first of all, we have keep source formatting. So if I choose that one and I go back to the original Excel document and something changes, I'll make this 175. So February North is 175 now. And I choose File, Save. Notice February North is not 175 here. I changed the original document, no changes were made to what I pasted. I'll just give myself a new line, and I'll choose Copy again. And we also have use destination style. So that just that basically does the same thing but adds no styles from Excel. We also have link and keep source formatting. So that's the one I'm interested in. I'll choose that one. So notice I just copied and pasted it. It's 175 here. I'm going to go back to the original Excel document, and I'm going to change that to 300. So again, February North is 300. Notice I didn't even bother saving it there. Let me just show you that again. I'll change East to 265. So when the Excel document changes, even if nothing's saved, the pasted linked version also changes. And we also have another one that's interesting is picture. So it looks like an Excel document, but you can't edit any of the material. So both of these serve a purpose. This one can be edited as a table in Word. Basically, it's now a Word table. But again, there are no links created for. So if the source document changes, the pasted document does not. This one, if I change something in the Excel document, it'll also change here, but let's just see if we change it here as well. Notice these are now fields. That's why they're gray, because they're actually a variable. So if I change this to 200 and tab and save. So again, March East 200. So the link is simply one way. If the Excel document changes, the pasted version will change, but if the pasted version changes, The Excel document will not. Let me just show you that again. 175 for north. 175 for north. I'll change this to January south. I'll change that to 400. Save just to see. Again, January south, 400. Does not change. So again, to have accurate figures in another document, this also works for PowerPoint. You simply paste and link. Now we also have one more option here. I'm going to go back to my Excel spreadsheet and paste it, or copy it, I should say. And we also have paste special. If I choose paste special, I'm going to choose paste link. And I'll say Microsoft Excel worksheet object. And OK. So that, it's kind of like an image. We can resize it. We cannot modify this. It's no longer, it's not a Word table. But if we want to get back to the original Excel document, we can just double click on that. That opens up the actual Excel document. And if we modify something here, notice it also changes here. So if you anticipate a user may change the material in the Word document, and you know that that will not be reflected in the Excel document, you may want to use this link. This one is useful because it's not editable, so we don't have to worry about somebody editing it and then it being different from the source document. However, if the information changes in the source document, it will not change here. This one, if the information changes in the source document, it will change here, but if it changes here, it will not change in the source document. So those are a couple of ways that we can share our data in Excel with Word. Thanks so much for watching.